warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, I'm going to tell you some kind of activities plus some teaching strategies for comparing quantities, and these quantities are more and less. So you're already familiar with it. What is more and what is less? You already know that. But so you are going to instruct your student that how to give, basically this is how you are going to give introduction to your students. So this is, you are going to grab some number cards, an extra set of calendar numbers, or you can have playing cards, but that must be of numbers only, okay? Or you can make it by yourself by making 3 by 5, 3 into 5 card. So that is the length and width of the card. So you are going to grab some manipulatives like counting blocks, mini erasers, buttons, or pom-poms. Here the students are going to count out the manipulatives to make a set of each number. It works really well to have them line up in the items so they can clearly see which one has more. Okay, so this is touching the things and getting the idea that which one set has more objects and which set has less of lesser objects is very beneficial. You can also invite 5 students to come to the front of the class, split them into 2 groups. The first group should have 2 students and the other should have 3. Ask the class which group has more people and which one has less people. For the science section activities, what you are going to do is, the teachers, you are going to do what? You are going to make the manipulatives. Which manipulative you are going to make? This manipulative. This picture is over here for this game activity. And this game activity is to be done in your class. This is a teddy bear 10 strip. You can just check this picture out. Here you are going to give the students the main idea of more and less according to this strip. This is very interesting, and how to make it, I'm going to give you an idea that how to make this one. So first of all, you are going to take a card, stock, or paper for printing selected page. So teddy bear and gumballs, more or less lamination is option thing, but you are going to do lamination because this will not, you can use it for your other section and sessions as well. And you are going to use what? You are going to use die, that is from 1 to 6, 0 to 9, or 1 to 10, or you can just take set of number cards starting from 0 to 10. Okay, then you are going to take Teddy Graham crackers or counters. You are going to have plastic coffee stirrer or straws. This must be cut into, the straw must be cut into 2 halves so that you will have more quantity. So right now, what to do? You can print on paper for one-time use or on card stock and laminate for durability. Print either the color of the black and white teddy bear, or you can just print the 10 strips as well. Cut down the center of the page, making 2 mats. Then you are going to have each participant need 1 mat. Print and cut out either the color of black one. Depends upon you, okay? And you are going to take what? You are going to take teddy bear number card if you are using. And you are going to have one more thing, that is possibility of equal. So for that thing, you are going to have each participant need 1 set of each card. Okay? So each participants roll a die or pick a card, then place the corresponding number of counters on the 10th strip. 1 counter in each space. Use plastic coffee stirrer, or you can just use straws to show a 1-to-1 match. Okay, so for this thing, what to do? You are going to ask from your students that which has more, which has less. Repeat several times, and your students will be familiar with this concept, what is more and what is less. For the engineering section activity, instruct your student to construct 2 towers. Using what? Using blocks. And ask which tower has more blocks and which tower has less blocks. For example, you can just check the picture out here. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks are over here to construct a tower. And here you can just see the tower position is very interesting. The students have used how many? 1, 2, 3 blocks. So that is why you can just ask from your student how many are over here and how many are over here in both these 2 towers, and they are going to tell you that which one has more and which one has less. For the art section activity, you are going to take two plates with different colors. For example, green and red. Fill the green plate with 7 pom-poms and the red plate with 3 pom-poms. Ask the child to count the pom-poms on the green plate and place the respective number in the below plate. For example, you can just give the other plate as well. Okay, so in the same way, ask the child to count the pom-pom on the red plate and place the respective number below. You can just give them this plate and they are going to put the numbers over there like this. You can just check the pictures out as well. So now you ask the child by referring to the strips from the step number 2. This is the step number 2. Which number is more than the other? Hence, you can just say this one that 7 is more than 2. Repeat the activity until the child master it. Okay, this technique is very interesting and you are going to give this concept that this one has more and less teaching concept. For the math section activity, you are going to take 2 dice and ask your child to roll them. Check the number on the both dice and ask your child to explain it using more and less. For example, if they get 6 and 4, then can you say that 6 is greater than 4 or 4 is less than 6? Yes, you can say that, of course. So repeat the same activity by rolling the dice again and again. So in the same way, I hope you are going to implement the strategies plus activities. We'll get back to you with my next topic. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.